Okay, dear students, we are handling the topic indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. In yesterday class, we have discussed the topic, theory, concept, formula, and everything regarding exercise 6A. Now, exercise 6A is going on. Roman number 1, I given some homework. Say the question, whatever you got the doubt. Roman number 1, 19 and 11, 12. Roman number 1, 11 and 12. And today I want to discuss with you the schedule regarding Roman number 2. Say the schedule. Roman number 2, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 also, 18 also, 16, 17, 18. Okay, now say the question. Roman number 1, 9 solution e power evaluate or calculate or find e power log e tan square x dx. If you did not mention the base of logarithm anything, you should mention the base itself is e. So you can understand the formula e power log x to the base e is equal to x. Base and the power will get cancelled and you get the general term. So directly you can understand here this is 1 plus tan square x dx. 1 plus tan square x formula secant square x. Secant square x integration, we know that it is tan x. Tan x plus c. Same Mr. Nishant, 11th. This is 11th or 9th? This is 11th question. Now, 12th question. Integral sin square x. Sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x. Sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. So this can be understood as sin square x by the formula of 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 into sin square x by cos square x dx. It is becoming as 1 by 2 into tan square x dx. There is no special formula for the integral tan square x. So 1 by 2 into that tan square x can be converted as known formula. Unknown formula can be converted from known formula of the integration. So you can understand integral secant square x. Integral secant square x dx minus 1 dx minus integral 1 dx. That is equal to, we know the integration of secant square x is tan x and 1 integration x. 1 by 2 into tan x minus x plus c. Now, Roman number 1 completed. Roman number 2, we discuss this sums. Roman number 2, third question. Read the question. Integral root x plus 1 whole by x whole square. Root x plus 1 whole square whole by x dx. Numerator can be expanded as the form of a plus b whole square. So write like this: x plus 2 root x plus 1 by x square dx. So that is equal to, separately distribute the values x by x square. X by x square plus 2 root x by x square plus 1 by x square dx. X by x square plus 2 root x by x square plus 1 by x square dx. That is equal to, this can be understood as 1 by x dx plus 2 into, this can be understood as x root x dx plus 1 by x square. 1 by x square dx. That is equal to, this is 1 by x dx plus 2 integral, this can be understood as x power 3 by 2 dx, because x plus x power 1 by 2, root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. If we add, you get the value as 1 by x power 3 by 2. This is 1 by x square. Right, like this 1 by x integration log x log mod x plus 2 integral this can be understood as x power minus d by 2 dx. 1 by x square formula is had 1 by minus 1 by x, that is equal to log modulus of x plus 2 into, this is the form x power n model, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x power minus d by 2 plus 1 by minus d by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by x plus c, that is equal to log modulus of x plus 2 into, this can be understood as x power minus 1 by 2 whole by minus 1 by 2 minus x plus c, that is equal to log modulus of x. This minus 1 by 2 taken in the numerator, it becomes 2. 2 are minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 by x power 1 by 2 becomes root x minus 1 by x plus c. Third completed. Now fifth question. Integral 2x minus 1 by cube root x. 2x minus 1 by 3 root x whole square total dx. Numerator is the form of a minus b whole square, x squared 4x square minus 4x plus 1 by denominator becomes 9x. So that is equal to, separately you write by distributing the denominator. So x square by x dx here, 4 by 9 taken outside of integration, 4 by 9 into x by x plus 1 by 9 into 1 by x. That is equal to 4 by 9 into x dx, x integration x square by minus 4 by 9 into simply x because 1 integration x plus 1 by 9 into 1 by x integration log mod x plus c. At last you write this is 2 by 9x. Say ninth question. Root x minus 2 whole by root x minus 2 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay. Students, you can understand root x as x for 1 by 2. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Don't write here 1 by 2 root x. We need integration, not derivative. So x power 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. X power 1 by 2 integration formula x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 3 by 2, 1 by 2 plus minus 2 into, I think this is sin h inverse x plus here log of 1 plus, no, 1 by plus x square is tan plus x, simply tan plus x. Root is there, why? Simply 1 plus x square or root is. Whenever simply 1 plus x square is there, it should be tan plus x. This is 2 tan inverse x. Because 1 by 1 plus x square formula tan plus x. Now this becomes reverse. 2 by 3 into x power 3. 1 minus meaning tan h inverse x. The formula of 1 minus tan h inverse x. So 2 by 3 into x power 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2 into 2 tan h inverse x plus c. Now Read 10th question.
X cube minus what?
Integral x cube minus cos x
Plus 4 by
plus 4 only by for 4 only 4 by
square root of x square plus 1.
square root of x square plus 1 dx. So this is easy only. Separately we should write by term. This is called as term by term integration. X cube x dx minus cos integral cos x dx 4 integral 1 by root of 1 plus x square or x square plus 1 dx. This is of the form x power n, x power n integration x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here you can understand x power 4 by 4. Of course, direct formula of integral cos x is sin x plus 4 into 1 by root of 1 plus x square x integration sin h n plus x. 1 by root of 1 plus x square integration sin h n plus x. Tenth completed. Read 30.
A power x minus b power x whole square.
This is IMT 2 marks question. Most important. A power x minus b power x whole square by a power x into b power x dx. In our objective material level 1 homework, the same question is there. Now expand like this. This is of the form numerator is of the form a minus b whole square concept. Expand a power x whole square minus 2a power x into b power x plus b power x whole square by a power x b power x dx. That is equal to, separately you write denominator and distribute the denominator for term by term. A power x whole square by a power x b power x minus 2 into a power x b power x by a power x b power x dx. For each and every integral you should write dx also. This is b power x whole square by b power x a power x dx. B power x will get cancelled here, a power x will get cancelled. Like this we write a by b whole power x dx minus 2 integral 1 dx plus integral b by a whole power x dx. The integration formula of a power x is a power x by log a. So a by b whole power x by log of a by b. In some books they used to give log a minus log b. This is 2x plus this is b by a whole power x by log b by a or log b minus log a plus integration constant c. Read 14 question. This is also IMP 2 marks question. Secant square x cosecant square x. Secant square x cosecant square x. This can be understood as 1 by cos square x into sin square x. Secant square x cosecant square x is equal to secant square x plus cosecant. So this becomes cos square x plus sin square x. Cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x sin square x. Distribute the denominator by term. Cos square x by here cos square x sin square x dx plus separate integration. Write like the sin square x by here you can write sin square x cos square x get cancelled, sin square x get cancelled. 1 by sin square x can be understood as cosecant square x plus 1 by cos square x can be understood as secant square x. Cosecant square x formula minus cot x. Here I mean integration. secant square x formula plus tan x plus c. So plus you write first of all tan x, later minus cot x plus c. This is the integration tan x minus cot x plus c. Let him go. Go ahead. 15th you read.
1 plus cos square x by
1 plus cos square x by 1 minus cos 2x dx. 1 plus cos square x by the formula of 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x. You take 1 by 2 as a common and separately you write 1 by sin square x dx plus 1 by 2 take common like this cos square x by sin square x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 integral. This is cosecant square x dx. 1 by sin square x meaning cosecant square x plus this is cot square x dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 into, we have the direct formula of cosecant square x dx, but we don't know the integration of cot square x. So this cot square x can be converted as in the form of cosecant square x minus 1 dx. 1 by 2 into 2 terms here. 2 cosecant square x dx minus integral 1 dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 to get cancelled. Cosecant square x integration you can understand minus cot x minus 1 by 2 into 1 integration x plus c. Completed. 16th question. Read. Square root of 1 minus cos 2x dx. 1 minus cos 2x formula 2 sin square x dx. Whenever root is there, it can be understood as modulus term. Like this you get modulus sin x. Maybe plus or minus, plus case and minus case, both you get. Case 1, root 2 into sin x dx. Sin x integration minus cos x plus. That's all. Case 2, root 2 into minus sin x dx. General notation sin x integration is minus cos x. But here minus of minus becomes plus. So root 2 cos x plus c. Read 17th question. 1 by cos hx plus sin hx. Students, this is also most IMP 2 marks question. In IPE concept, this is IMP question. 1 by cos hx plus sin hx. I am making you to remember the formula which you have learnt in first year trigonometry hyperbolic functions, that cos h square x minus sin h square x equal to 1. So numerator can be understood as cos h square x minus sin h square x by denominator is cos hx plus sin hx dx. Numerator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So since it is a square minus b square, separately you write as cos hx plus sin hx into cos hx minus sin hx whole by cos hx plus sin hx whole by cos hx plus sin hx overall dx cos hx plus sin hx term got cancelled. Now you can write separately as cos hx dx integration cos hx dx minus integration sin hx dx. Cos hx square is integration formula sin hx and sin hx integration formula cos hx plus c. Seventeen or 18? Read. 1 by 1 plus cos x. Students will do rationalization. So it is nothing but multiplying by the opposite symbol to the numerator and denominator. 1 minus cos x dx by this is 1 minus cos square x. 1 minus cos x by sin square x. Separately you write distribution. 1 by sin square x minus cos x by sin square. This is cosecant square x dx minus, write like this, cos x by sin x into 1 by sin x dx. Integral cosecant square x dx minus, this is cosecant x cot x dx. Integral cosecant square x is minus cot x, the cosecant x cot x integration minus cosecant x, whenever minus is there, minus cosecant x cot x becomes plus cosecant x. So this is cosecant x minus cot x plus c. This is for object we are discussing second method. In our objective material level or homework sum is there 1 by 1 plus cos. The same question in another level. The formula of 1 by 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square. 1 plus cos x formula sum multiplying 2 cos square x by 2 is there. So write like this 1 by 2 into secant square x by 2 dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 into secant square x integration tan x by 2 into. While calculating the submultiplying model integrations or multiple model integrations, we need to do internal integration. That remaining in the derivative, if any number is there, f of x will multiply. It is the property. Now integration the property is we should divide with the number. That is nothing but x into 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 got cancelled. This is tan x by 2 plus c. No need to get confused. This one answers are same. It becomes 1 by sin x minus cos x by sin x. You will get this answer. Even though you do this method or this method, you will get 2 marks. No need to worry. Successfully have completed the exercise 6a integration concept. Now let us going to discuss the theory regarding exercise 6b concepts. Put said integration by substitution. Integration by substitution. integration by substitution. Write the matter. If f of x is any function, side heading, integration by substitution, by integration by substitution. If f of x is any integrable function, if f of x is any integrable function, to calculate its integration, to calculate its integration, there occurs derivative of f of x in numerator or denominator or exponent in numerator or denominator or exponent, so on, by putting suitable substitution we can find the given integration. So such models of integration are called as integration by substitution. Example I will say. Let us discuss an example. F dash x by root f of x dx. This is the example I am discussing. Integration by substitution. F dash x by root f of x. Now, how to calculate this f dash x by root f of x? Here are just one step. First exercise you have discussed in simple formula, and just it is becoming somewhat tough. Let us tough like that. Steps will become like this. Milestones. This is second milestone. So what is the derivative of f of x? I said here, if f of x is an integrable function, maybe whenever dx exists is there, f of x is an integrable function. Then to calculate the integration of this one, there means in the integration only, there occurs a derivative of f of x in numerator or denominator or exponent or anywhere, left to right to power to denominator, anywhere the function of derivative will exist rule. Like that only he will give the question, sure. He used to give the question that derivative of the function exists. What is the derivative of f of x? F dash x. Simple, f dash x. Then put f of x is equal to t. F of x, t meaning we are substituting, putting suitable substitution. F of x is equal to t. Now, whenever substitution is there, we should differentiate both sides. So, you should not forget derivative values also. Diff both sides. Simply I am writing here, students, diff both sides. There is no with respect to t or with respect to x or anything. So, by integration, here you should write f dash x dx. For x you should write dx here. For t you should write dt. I think in Lagrange's mean value theorem, I said the concept. T, sir, why you are writing dt, sir? T derivative 1 with respect to t dt. Of course, it is simply like this only. Dx by dt is equal. This dt is taking that side, that model. So, but we should pronounce like this, f dash x dx. So, for the variables derivative, separate variables, write f dash x dx. F dash x dx is equal to t. So, numerator is happening, numerator is making in the terms of t. We made the f dash x term in the terms of t dt by denominator how much? In the terms of t root f of x. So now 1 by t dt. Did you remember the formula of 1 by x integration? Say root t, sorry, root t, not simple distance, root t only. So 1 by root t integration you see. 1 by root x integration I said. 2 root x. So here 2 root t, because the value 2 root t, that is equal to, at last you should understood the function he given in the terms of x. We have changed the function in terms of t. So we should calculate at last in terms of t. At last we should write the t in terms of x. 2 root whatever the t will come at 2 root f of x plus. This sum I said as a formula. Did you write yesterday? F dash x by root f of this is remember thing. You should remember, you should not forget the formula. Integrate f dash x by root f of x is 2 root f of x. This is called as substitution method. Next, let us write the second example. Example 2. Find integral. This is find integral f dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x dx. Whenever dx is given, we conclude that f of x is an integrable function. I said that derivative of f of x exists in numerator or denominator or anything, anywhere the derivative exists. Now write like this, f dash f of x equal to t. Students, whenever you are thinking a function, a variable function into any other terms, t or anything, immediately you should calculate derivative both sides. Diff both sides, you should write diff both sides. Simply write diff both sides, don't write with respect to line, diff both sides. So you can understand f dash x dx equal to dt. That implies it is becoming dt by t. For our convenience, I am writing as 1 by dt. What is the 1 by x integration? Log modulus of x. You should not forget. So this is log modulus of t plus c. That is equal to log mod t, meaning here whatever the function you thought, log f of x plus c. This one also I said the formula integrate f dash x by f of x is log mod f of x plus c. Now let us do sums. We open page number 193. Let us do the solved problems. Page 193 solved problems. Solved problems, page 193. Let us start first question. Evaluate or find x power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. X power 5 by 1 plus x power 12 dx. To become habituated to do such type of sums, I will give hint. X power 5 by 1 plus. This can be understood as x power 6. Now put x power 6 equal to. Sir, why you are taking, sir? What is the derivative of x power n? N into x power n minus 1. X power 6 derivative 6 into x power 5. So x power 5 is there. No? I said no, in numerator or denominator or power or exponents or anywhere they exist anyway. So there is not proper existence. You should convert to the existence manner. Diff both sides, right? Diff both sides. So it is becoming 6x power 5 dx is equal to 6x power 5 dx is equal to. That implies now you write x power 5 dx is equal to 1 by 6 dt. X understood? Now write like this. From 1 you write, otherwise 1 becomes you write. From 1, instead of x power 5 dx, you can write 1 by 6 integral dt by 1 plus this is t square. Now are you able to understand? 1 plus t square. The function became in terms of t. Now what is the integration of 1 by 1 plus x square? 1 by tan inverse x. Here it is tan inverse t, that is equal to like this. 1 by 6 tan inverse t plus c. So what is the t? You write here. What is the t? What the t you thought? That is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 tan inverse of x power 6 plus c. Now another example also. I say second question. This is IMP 2 marks. Integral cos cube x into sin x dx. Integral cos cube x into sin x dx. Students, what is the derivative of cos x? Minus derivative, not integration. Minus sin x. Sin x is there. Okay? We'll think about minus. Put cos x equal. So that is why you can think which one you should think as t. If you are thinking sin x is equal to t, cos x is there, but it is so horrible. So put cos x is equal to t. Whenever you write here put, then you should immediately write the formula, that concept diff both sides. Now minus sin x dx is equal to dt. That implies right like this. Sin x dx equal to minus dt. Right like this. From 1 you write. From 1 put minus, integration outside, minus t cube dt, because cos cube meaning t cube dt. What is the integration of x power n? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So 2 cube integration t power 4 by 4 minus t power 4 by 4 plus c, that is equal to minus 1 by 4 into t. What we thought as a t, cos power 4, here we write 1 by 4 cos power 4x plus c. Fourth, fifth. Third question, page number 194, example 3. This is also MP2 marks. Find 1 minus 1 by x square into e power x plus 1 by x dx. Put x plus 1 by x equal to t. Put x plus 1 by x equal to t. Diff both sides. What is the derivative of x? 1. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So 1 minus 1 by x square dx becomes dt. I said no, in numerator or denominator power or anywhere the derivative of f of x exists. Such type of integrations are called as integration of substitution. Now you can write e power t. What is the integration of e power t? E power t only. E power x integration e power x plus. That is equal to e power x plus 1 by x plus c. That's all. Now example 4. This is also IMP 1 by root of sin inverse x. 1 by root of sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square dx. 1 by root of sin inverse x into root of 1 minus x square dx. Students, I think you might have understand the derivative of sin inverse x is what? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Exist or not? Like that. The function derivative exists, sure. Put sin inverse x is equal to t. Whenever you write to put here, if both sides is next step. We know that the derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. Now you can understand like this. This dx by root 1 minus x square became as dt. That is equal to, write like this, 1 by root t dt. Already we have learned the formula 1 by root x is 2 root x. So 1 by root t is 2 root t here. 2 root t plus c. That is equal to 2 into root of here sin inverse x plus c. Next one, sixth question. Sixth and eighth I say. Seventh is not necessary. Sixth. Oh, fifth is there. Students, fifth is most IMP. This is also 2 marks. Integral sin power 4x by cos power 6x dx. Integral sin power 4x by cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x dx. Sin power 4x by cos power 4x into 1 by cos square x dx. This can be understood as tan power 4x into secant square x dx. Put tan x equal to diff both sides. Tan x derivative secant square x dx. That implies this can be understood as t power 4 dt. So this is t power 5 by 5 plus c. So t meaning here tan x. So tan power 5x by 5 plus c. Next sin square x is there. You can understand that some. Sixth and seventh. Seventh no need. Leave it. Sixth question you do. Eighth and discussing now. Today last question is eighth. Example 8, page number 196. Example 8, page number 196. Evaluate or find. Evaluate integral x square by root of x plus 5. Root of x plus 5 equal to t. Squaring both sides. X plus 5 is equal to t square. Now diff both sides. Students, x meaning dx. So 1 dx means x derivative 1 into dx. Plus 5 derivative 0. No need to write because constant derivative 0. Dx is equal to this is 2t dt. 2t dt. Also x is equal to t square minus 5. Here he is discussing about x square. x is equal to t square minus 5. Now x square is equal to t square minus 5 whole square. Now this is what 1 becomes. So whenever we are unable to do such integrations, we should calculate in the substitution method. 1 becomes, right, like this. This is t square minus 5 whole square into, students, in the place of dx, you should write 2t dt whole by root x plus 5 we thought d. Here students can get a doubt, the root x plus 5 equal to t. If we diff both sides here only, by without squaring both sides. 1 by 2 root x plus 5 is equal to t. You will get answer, but steps will be more. Always better to after do derivative after completion of squaring both sides. It is better. Because 1 by 2 root x plus 5 simply dx. Much more difference between that and this one. There also we will get an answer, but it is somewhat higher. This square, this t and this t get cancelled. 2 integral expand as I mean as the whole square formula e power 4 minus 10t square plus 25 of dt. That is equal to 2 integral 2 common t power 4 dt separate you write, and 10 integration this is t square dt plus 25 integral 1 dt. Integral 1 dt. That is equal to 2 into this is t power of 5 by 5 minus 10 t cube by 3 plus 25 t plus c. That is equal to 2 into the value what we thought this one x plus 5 as a t. So you can understand this one as x plus 5 whole power 5 by 2 by 5. Because x plus 5 along with root it is power 1 by 2. Whenever power 5 is there you can write 5 by 2 minus 10 by 3 into x plus 5 whole power 3 by 2 plus 25 into root of x plus 6. That's all. Maybe you can take it common, otherwise simply you can leave it. 2 by 5 we multiplied and given the answer 2 by 5 into x plus 5 whole power 5 by 2 minus 2 tens are 20 by 3 x plus 5 whole power 3 by 2 plus 2 into 25 becomes 50 root x plus 5 dt. And another models are there, special integrations in formulae and some proof of some formulae by parts concept is there. So students, if you can do exercise 6b page number 205 Roman number 1 1 to 11 you try 1 to 11. Otherwise no need, after completion of much concept we can discuss. If you can do, if you are having any time you do, otherwise simply leave it. Okay students, next concept is there, integration by parts and substitution by trigonometric formulas. Everything is there, the concept let us going to discuss. Let us go in next class, that is in tomorrow class.